Hello everyone. So if you want to enable lockdown mode on something so that PIN or password will be the only way to unlock your phone for further safety, here's how to do this. So first of all, you are to open up your settings. After that, you are to scroll down to your lock screen. There it is, lock screen in AOD. Here, make sure to tap on secure lock settings. Now enter your current PIN or password and press continue. After that, we're gonna scroll down and locate our show lockdown mode option. So basically what it does, it displays a power button option that turns off extended lock, biometrics unlock, and notifications on the lock screen. So if you're gonna tap on it, it will do its thing. So tap on it. Then let's close our settings. Now simply swipe down from the top right corner, and here you will be able to locate your lockdown mode. Oh yeah, there it is. Make sure to press on your power icon, and there is our lockdown mode. So simply tap on it, and there will be no other choice as to enter your PIN or password or pattern or whatever you have. So it's just basically an extra layer of safety. And that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.